Hello, Ni hao. My name is Li Oolong from Fun Chinese and Learn Chinese. Welcome to my YouTube channel. You must have seen my previous video where I have taught you about few important phrases to speak in mainland China before you travel to China. So please go through that video if you have not seen yet, and make sure you will like this video and subscribe my channel if you want to learn Chinese language. Today we are going to talk about introducing yourself in Chinese. So before I will start about this, we are going to learn how to introduce yourself in Chinese language. But before I will tell you about how to introduce yourself in Chinese language, I want to ask you, if you have to introduce yourself in your mother tongue, how would you do? Yes, you will tell about your name, your profession, and which country you belong to. In the same manner, we will learn how to say these things in Chinese language. But before I start, I want to tell you more about the Chinese language, because Mandarin is not the only language or dialect they have. They have different dialects, but we will focus only on the Mandarin. So, the official dialect of China is Mandarin, also called Putonghua. Say with me, Putonghua. So, more than 70% of the Chinese population speaks Mandarin, but there are also several other major dialects in use in China. Yue, Cantonese, Xiang, Huanese, Min dialect, Khan dialect, Wu dialect, and Kachia or Hakka dialect. So, these are many dialects that Chinese people have, but we will focus only on Mandarin, as major part of China speaks and understands Mandarin, and it is official language of China. So we will start from here onwards. Before I start about the Chinese language, I also want to introduce you that Chinese is a tonal language. You must have heard about it. So Mandarin Chinese is a tonal language. Mandarin is said to have 4 main tones and 1 neutral tones. So basically you can consider it as 5 tones. The first tone is first tone, which is falling tone, like ma, ma. The second tone is higher tone, where the pitch is going high. So you can say the ma, ma. And the third tone is rising tone. First it will go down and then it will rise, like ma, ma. And the fourth tone is down tone, ma, ma, ma. And the fifth tone is ma, ma. That is neutral tone. So basically we have 5 tones here. Now you are having idea about how many dialects you have in Chinese language, and also how many tones you have. That is 4 main tones and 1 neutral tone. We will discuss about these tones in brief in the next video, where I will explain you with more examples, so you will have a better idea regarding the tones in Mandarin Chinese. So in today's topic, we will discuss how to introduce yourself. So when we introduce ourselves, what we will learn? We learn calling your name, how you can call your name, how you can introduce another person, what is your name. You will definitely learn about that. Where are you from? This is the second question that people will ask to you if you are a stranger. Third question, about your profession. Everybody has some profession. Either you are a student or working professional, or you are having your business. People will definitely ask you about your profession. And fourth one, how to say nice to meet you. That is very common greeting among the Chinese people. So I will tell you about that as well. As I have already told you in the previous video that ni hao was one of the common greetings. So before you will say anything, just say ni hao whenever you meet to someone. Ni hao. Or either you can say nin hao. Nin hao, you will say nin hao in the terms of if somebody is elder to you or you want to give more respect to the another person, then you will say nin hao. And if somebody is known to you, then you will say ni hao. So we will learn how to say my name is so on. So suppose my name is Li Oolong. My name is Li Oolong or my name is Pawan. So how I will say this in Chinese? 我叫李乌浪. Again, say with me. 我叫李乌浪. One more time. My name is Li Oolong. 我叫李乌浪. In the same manner, whatever your name is, 我叫 your name. 我叫 your name. The second question is which country you belong to. So I am from India. 我来自印度. 我来自印度. Say with me again. I am from India. 我来自印度. 我来自印度. In the same manner, if you are from China, I am from China. 我来自中国. So, 中国, we say China in Chinese, 中国. In the same manner, we say into to India. So, say with me again. 我来自中国. And China, if you see geographically, China is in the middle of the world map. So Chung means middle and Kuo means country. So basically they want to say that China is the middle kingdom. So how we will say China? Chung Kuo. I am from China. That means 我来自中国. 我来自中国. And we say 美国 to America. 美 means beautiful and Kuo means country. That means beautiful country. So if somebody say I am from America, that means 我来自美国. 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 And Britain, we say Britain to Inquo in Chinese. Ink means English. Qua means country. So basically, Inquo means English speaking country. Although America is also an English speaking country, but we can't refer Inquo to America. Now we will talk about profession. So if somebody asks you about your profession, how you will introduce him? So suppose if you are a student, that is very common. So how we will say I am a student, or if you are a teacher, then you will say I am a teacher. If you are a doctor, then you will say I am a doctor. In this, as I am a teacher, so I will say I am a teacher. So I means 我, ma means 是, and teacher we say in Chinese 老师. So together we will say 我是老师. I am a teacher. 我是老师. Say with me again. 我是老师. And as you people are a student, so what you will say? I am a student. 我是学生. We say 学生 to student in Chinese. So say with me, I am a student. Doctor. So how he will introduce himself? Like, I am a doctor. Then you will say 我是医生. And This doctor refers to the person who knows how to handle medical treatment. This is not for someone who has a doctoral degree, like he has a PhD holder. We can't use Ishang for that person. So say with me, I am a doctor. 我是医生。我是医生。我是医生。I am a doctor. 我是医生。How to say nice to meet you in Chinese language? You will say 很高兴见到你 or you can say 很高兴认识你 You can say that also. Say with me 很高兴见到你 or you can say 很高兴认识你 The both phrases are good. Guys, goodbye, but you people should say this in Chinese. So say with me 再见 Say again 再见 and we will meet next time with the next chapter. And we will meet you guys in the next video.